Another way of thinking about it is the notion of, imagine if I'm wearing green shades, I see everything green, you're wearing red shades, and you see everything red, right? And I can spend the whole day saying this, and that, but unless we both lose our glasses and we all see from each other's perspective, we will not understand. So the reason we don't eat pork is, why don't we eat pork? Huh? It's haram. What does that mean? Tell it to a non-Muslim. What does haram means? No, that's not what haram means. There you go, right? I love Allah, right? Allah has given me a choice. My Creator has given me a choice. He has said, look, if you can, I have the ability to eat it, but if I choose not to, I get closer to Allah. I earn the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why I don't. So the argument then becomes, from this angle, if you can establish or show the person that, look, I believe that there exists Allah who has communicated to us, and his communication in his Sharia, he has explained to us why to do certain things and why not to do certain things, and if I follow that, I will be successful. So if you give them this framework, it kind of answers all the questions, and then you'll have some hesitations that you can deal with. So that's the principle, right? So one way, for example, iERA calls it go rap. So you want to think about it in these terms. G for God. So first, clearly convey the concept that there exists a creator. There exists someone that we depend upon. Okay? Then the second thing is, if a God exists, that cannot be multiple gods. You cannot have your own God. I cannot have my own God. That would not make sense. There's only one true God. And then third step is, if that God exists, if there's a one God, it makes sense. It is very likely. It is very logical. And it makes sense in my heart that that God has communicated to me what I should be doing and what I should not be doing to be successful. And that's the revelation part. And then the next step is, why do I believe that Quran is a revelation, is a book, is a statement, is a speech of God? And then also you can add, obviously these things are related, but if you want to establish furthermore, you can say why I believe, and here are some evidences for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to be a messenger of God.